Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to insert picture. Now how can you insert picture? First of all, go straight to the insert tab and now go to picture and select from picture from file. Now select your picture, so in that case I'll select this. Okay, so you can see the picture is too big for us to, maybe we want to add selected text, and so how can we do that? Now just resize the text by when you just put the cursor at the edge, you see the cursor changes to this side, this arrow pointing the other way around. Hold and just drag it with the left button. Now once you drag it, it keeps resizing. Once you drag it, it keeps resizing. Okay, so now you want us to add text to that. Let's say we are just describing or giving a profile of a person or even ourselves, and this could be our picture. So let's type in any dummy text. Now we have 4, 5. Okay, so can we put this picture in the middle here so that at least we can describe, or okay, see, once you push it, see, it is not coming. Once you push it, it is not coming. So what do you think you're going to do? What do you think? So you have to just resize and just format the picture as well. So when you click on the picture, go to format, picture format, now position here. So you want it to be here, right? So you can just put it at this side. Or if you think it is too far, you can now center this into this picture. If you want it in this way, you can do that. Or if you want the picture to be in the middle, it can still be in the middle. Well, if you think you want to format the picture as well, click on this side, and there are a lot of styles here. You can decide to choose from any of these styles to apply to the picture as well. So you can see, as you can see, so this is an oval shape. You can decide to use this. But if you think you want to change this picture, just click on the picture. Now go to change picture. Now you select the picture that you want to add, and that's all. You're going to change this picture. There's also called picture effect. This is wrap text. Okay, so that's the square in the middle. Now there's also called picture. There is picture border as well. Picture border. There's picture border. Okay, so you just choose and just select any color to just go around the picture as well. Now this is what I want us to talk about today. That is a picture effect. Now the picture effect, just go for the 3D, and this is how it's going to look like. So if you want this, it's going to be in this shape. So that's the 3D shape. Okay, so you can just do this with your document or with your picture that you've inserted. Okay, so that is a way to insert picture. Now bear in mind, if you insert a picture, you must go to the insert tab and click on the picture. Then after that, you click on the picture, then you go to the picture format. You change the picture format. Now you can change the picture effect, position on the wrap text, and the picture style as well. If you think you want to just reverse everything, you go to reset picture, and it's going to send it to the normal how it looked like before formatting. So that is how it is now. Okay, so that's the way to insert picture. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.